everyone, welcome back. So today I'm here with a new astrological video which is about the astrological placements which are responsible for fears, anxiety and panic attacks. So guys, there are many conditions which are responsible for this. So we'll be talking about only a few because there are some direct, some indirect, some obvious and some are hidden. So we'll be talking about just the basics. So first and foremost condition for this is if moon and Saturn are sitting together in your horoscope. Such people are very fearful, such people have panic attacks sometimes, such people are childlike emotionally, they are very mood driven, they have mood swings like vexes and veins of moon. So why this happens? Because Saturn is fear and moon is your imagination, moon is your mind. So you can imagine what happens when your mind, your imagination is sitting with fears. The person is constantly under fears of one or another sort. And then the second condition is when Mercury sits along. When along with Saturn and moon, Mercury is also sitting in anybody's horoscope. So what happens when Mercury is along? That person will have a full-fledged panic attack. And there are the cases of hospitalization also, because these people most of the times fear that they are having heart trouble because the symptoms correlate. Symptoms are almost the same. So these are the people who have Mercury along with Moon and Saturn, who thinks like they are going through heart trouble. So they are hospitalized also sometimes. Then the next condition is when Rahu or Ketu are sitting in your fifth house. What is fifth house? Fifth house is romance, fifth house is your intellect, fifth house is children, and fifth house is your love affairs. So if Ketu or Rahu, these kind of malefic planets are sitting in your fifth house, that person becomes emotionally very insecure. That person also has mood swings. Such people never express themselves fully before anyone, and such people are not, confident about their own capabilities. They always question their own intellect, though they are very intelligent. They can be very intelligent depending on other placements also, but these people always feel like they are not capable enough to do something, that they are not skillful or many other things they feel. But the most of the times what they go through is like they never express themselves fully. Even only few people know what's going on inside them. They never express themselves in love. They control themselves all the time, which leads to defenses. They become very defensive, and which ultimately leads to anxiety and panic attacks. Then the next condition is if you have moon in Scorpio or Aquarius. Why Scorpions and Aquarians are most vulnerable to panic attacks and anxiety issues? Because Scorpio is a sign which is ruled by not only Mars but Ketu also. So, if Ketu is the ruler of some sign, that sign, those people will be naturally fearful, naturally most vulnerable to anxiety issues. Then why Aquarians? Because Aquarians have Saturn as a ruler, but the co-ruler is Rahu also. So any Rashi which is ruled by Rahu will be most vulnerable to fears. But one thing is clear, that these people are very intelligent. Scorpions and Aquarians are very intelligent people, and they seem strong, and they are also. They are strong actually, but they have many fears inside, and the reason is that they think so deeply, they think so much, they think out of box, which makes them much vulnerable to anxiety issues. So these were some placements which are responsible for anxiety issues. Now the question is, what can be done with them? First thing is, if you are working in some psychiatric hospital, or if you are working in some NGO, some non-profitable NGO which is about animals, dogs, or mentally retarded people, this yoga is naturally compensated. So those who have these placements can join any non-profitable organization which is related to dogs, or which is related to people having psychiatric issues, mental retardation. So these bad placements will be. So guys, it was about fears and phobias. I hope you like it. You can like, you can share, you can subscribe, and forget not to press the bell icon so that you get recent notifications. Bye.